Bandit, look what I bought for the kids. Watermelon sprinkle bath salts. Oh, they're going to love that, Chilli. I think Mum's bringing them over anytime soon now. Hide them so they can't see and then they'll get a really big surprise. All right then, I will do that, Bandit. I will leave them right here where the kids won't see them. Come on then, let's go away. Oh, actually, I left the surprise slime at home too. Let's quickly get that before they come. All right then, come on, Chilli. All right, kids, we're at the water park. Go on, jump in. I thought our mum and dad were going to be here. Oh, yes, well, they'll be here soon, I'm sure. Come on then. Socks, jump with me in the water. I'm going off the diving board. Whee! Is it nice, Socks?
Yeah.
Be careful in there, girls. Hey, Bluey, look over here. Follow me. Look what it is. Wow. Let's tip it out and have a look. Oh, actually, let's move it over here so no one sees us. Yeah, that's better. All right, let's tip it out now. Wow, it's so sprinkly. Do another scoop, Bluey.
Yeah.
Whee! And another one.
Yes.
Whee! All right, time to jump in it. Whee! It's fun, Bluey. Wow, so many sprinkles. And they stick on you too.
Yeah.
Oh, they feel like sand. Oh, and they smell like watermelon. Ah, whee!
I would not say they smell like watermelon. I would say they smell even better than watermelon.
Like a sour watermelon, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. They do. And look at me. I look like a snow angel. Whee! Wow, these are so much fun. Why would anyone leave these just laying about? Oh no, Bandit, look! The sprinkles I had for the kids are gone. Somebody's taken it. Oh no, I'm going to have to call the police. Oh, just hang on a second. Let me call Mum. She might have taken them. She might have seen that they were there and the kids might have already got into them. Oh, I hope so. All right, call your mum. But don't give away the surprise just in case the kids don't know about it. Hello. Ring, ring, ring. Ring, ring, ring. Oh, hang on, kids. Oh, I'll be back. My phone's just ringing. Here we go. Hello? Hey, Mum, it's Bandit. Listen, have you seen any sprinkles anywhere? Chilli brought some for the kids, but we don't know where they've gone. Chilli wants to call the police, but first I thought I'd check with you. No sprinkles here. Sorry, Bandit. All right, no worries, Mum. Thanks anyway. Mum said she hasn't seen them. All right then, well, I guess I'm calling the police. Bingo? Socks? Yes, Nana? You haven't seen Bluey or Muffin, have you? Oh, I really hope they don't have anything to do with the sprinkles missing. Oh, they won't, Nana, don't worry. Yeah, they've probably just gone to the toilet. Are you calling them, Chilli? Yes, I pressed 000. I'm on the phone now. It's ringing. Ring, ring, ring. Hello, this is Vic Police. Oh, hi, listen. No hurry, but I think someone has stolen my special sprinkles. Right, when was the last time you saw these sprinkles? Well, I left them at next to the water park, then I went home, and about 30 minutes later, I came back and they were gone. All right, don't worry, Chilli, I'm on to it. We will find your sprinkles in no time. I'll be there soon. Hi, Nana, we're here. The police should be here soon too. I'm here, Chilli. All right, let's get to the bottom of who took your sprinkles. If you guys could help me, that would be great also. No problem, officer. What would you like us to do? You look in the direction you came from, and I'll look this way, all right? All right, thanks, officer. Hang on, let me just sort my siren out. Here we go. Oh. Hang on. What have we got here? Smells like salt. Sweet, sour watermelon salt. And there's sprinkles in it too. I betcha if I follow this trail, I might find who took those sprinkles. All right, let's see. Follow it this way and this way. Aha! Caught you red-handed, you two. Both of you are going to be in some big trouble. Come on, in the police car. Let's go to the station. Wait, what? What did we do wrong, police officer? Yeah, I'm confused. Come on, out you get, you two. I didn't do anything wrong, I promise. Yeah, that's what they all say. Come on, in the car. Run, Bluey, run! We've got a runner. Hey, get back here. No running from the police. Please, officer, we didn't do anything. We didn't know we were stealing. Look at the mess you made, girls. Come on. Oh, goodness me. Who made all this mess? Oh, Bluey, Muffin, what are you doing in the policeman's vehicle? Oh, I know what's going on. They're having a little ride in your police car and a go at your siren, aren't they? No, actually. What's your name? Nana. You can call me Nana. All right. Well, these girls have actually stolen these sprinkles off Chilli and Bandit Healer. Do you know them? Oh, yes, I know them. Yes, well, they've reported these sprinkles missing. So I've had no choice but to arrest the two girls that I found with those sprinkles. What? But they're only kids. They are? Yes, look at them. And also, Chilli and Bandit Healer, that's their daughter right there. And Bandit, he's my son. Are you all right? Yeah, I'm all right. Sorry, I was just too focused on finding who stole these sprinkles, and I didn't even stop to think if they were kids. My bad. No, officer, there's been some kind of mistake. This is my daughter Bluey and her cousin Muffin. Oh, yeah. Nana here was just explaining all of it to me. Don't worry, the girls are not under arrest. But good news, I found who took your sprinkles. Oh, Nana, I thought you said you didn't know where the sprinkles were. How did you miss this? They're scattered all over the place. And Bluey and Muffin are the ones that did it. Yes, well, I think I might need to get my glasses checked because I didn't even notice they were missing until 5 minutes ago. Oh, dear. Since you're already here, Mr. Officer, do you mind if I have a go of the siren in your car? Yeah, go on then. Jump in. Did you hear that, Muffin? We get to have a go of the siren. Whee! Right, you ready, Muffin?
Yeah. Ooh, that's awesome. Let's see what other signs it makes.
Yeah, let's see what other sounds it makes. Whoa! The car is starting. Oh, my favorite song. Let's see what else. The real police siren. That's awesome. Let's try one more. Beep, bitty, beep, beep. Oh, telephone's ringing, Mr. Policeman. You might need to get back to work now. Oh, well, again, I'm sorry for the mix-up. It happens to the best of us, don't worry. The good thing is we know where the sprinkles are, and also it might teach Muffin and Bluey not to take things that aren't theirs. Yeah, you're right there. All right, you guys have a good day. Thanks, officer, we will. All right. Muffin and Bluey, have you had fun in the police car?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did. It's awesome. I think I want to be a policeman when I'm older. Yep, it's a pretty cool job. All right, I guess I've got to go catch the real bad guys. Out you guys get. Thanks for having a go in my car, I guess. No problem, Mr. Police Officer. Anytime. Come on, Muffin. Let's go play on the water park. Woohoo! Whee! Now, Muffin and Bluey. Yes, Mum and Dad? Come on, girls. You know better than to take things that aren't yours. Those sprinkles were a surprise from your mum to put in this pool. Oh, and you ruined the surprise. And not only that, Mum called the police because she thought someone stole them. We're really, really sorry, Dad and Mum. We really didn't think about it. And To make it up to you, we will clean up all these sprinkles on the ground. That sounds good, Muffin and Bluey. Get to work, because I think there's some girls in here that are waiting for a really fun water park with sprinkles in it. Yes, I'm definitely waiting for that. Come on, Bluey and Muffin. Yeah, come on. I want some sprinkles in our water. Whee! All right then, come on, Muffin. We better get to work. In the sprinkles go. This is going to take all day to put all these sprinkles in. Come on, Muffin, you've got to help me.
Well, I need the shovel.
All right, there's your shovel. I will use my hands, okay?
Okay.
Dad, can we be done yet? The sprinkles are already starting to dissolve in here, and we've done as much as we can cleaning up. All right then, Bluey and Muffin. Where are the sprinkles? Look at the salt. The sprinkles are all at the bottom. This is the most salty water park I've ever been to. Don't you think, Muffin?
Yeah.
Hey, let's put some salt on Dad's head.
Yeah.
Sprinkles. Whee! Do you know what I think this water park needs? Not sprinkles. They're not that much fun, Mum. Oh, is that right? Then what do they need, Bandit? I think this water park needs... You ready to hear it, kids?
Yeah.
Slime!
Yes.
We need a slime water park.
Yeah.
Yeah, slime, 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 slime. All right, then, go get your slime and you can have a slime water park. Yes, thanks, Chilli. You're the best. I'll be back, kids. All right, kids. Stand in the pool if you want to get slimed. Not for me. Thanks anyway, but I'll stay on the swing. Yes, and I might stay out of the pool for this one too, Bandy. We want to get slimed. Go on, Dad. Slime us. All right then, kids. Here it comes. You ready? We're ready. It's coming. What is that noise? It's the slime coming. Hold on. Dad. Woohoo! Here comes the slime.
Boing, boing.
It's like jelly slime, isn't it?
Yeah. But even better than jelly slime because it's sparkly.
It is sparkly. Yay! It's full of slime. Oh no, where did Muffin go? Let's cover Muffin in slime. Wow.
You can do that to socks, but not me.
Do it to me.
Bingo.
Look at me.
Bingo.
I'm stuck in the slime.
Bingo. You
Yeah?
had enough time on the swing.
All right then. I'll have a go on the slime. Ooh, it is really bouncy, isn't it?
Actually, if you mind, you can go on the swing.
No, it's okay. I'm happy in the slime now. Look, I'm a slime monster. Ready?
Ooh, here comes Muffin down the slide.
Look at me. Slime monster coming down the slide. Watch out. Wow, wow. Slime monster rolling down the slide is what I meant to say. Get me out of that. So slimy. Oh my goodness, what is happening on the slide? Everyone. Bluey, did you do all this? You were crazy. Yep. And I'm not really sure how I'm going to get out of it. Oh, there we go. I just thought of something. I'll be back. Oh, Bluey, you filled the whole slide up with slime? That is crazy. We're going to wait at the bottom of it, Bluey. Come on.
I'm stuck.
Oh, actually, I'll be back, Bluey. Come on, Bluey, come here. I've got a little surprise for you.
Coming.
Got you.
Hey,
Got you.
That is not a surprise.
Got you, got you. Wet you, wet you, wet you. It was Mr. Whale. Was that a good surprise, Bluey?
Yeah.
Wow. Now that there's water in here, it's so slimy.
Yeah, and even more funner.
Even more fun, yeah. Hey, look, I'm going to jump off this diving board into the slime. Whee! Whoa. Hey, look, Mum and Dad got in. Slime them. Oh, spray them with water. Even better. Get them, get them, get them. That's hilarious. Wait, should we get Nana too, Muffin?
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's get Nana to come into the slime and then we can slime her.
Okay.
All right, everyone move out of the way. Nana, come in the slime. We want to show you something. Oh, what is it, girls? Oh, dear. Ah, you cheeky girls. Are you sliming me? Ah. Wow. This is one gooey slime.
Watch me go down the slide with the slippery slime.
All right, we're watching, Muffin. Whoa.
Okay, time to get some more slime.
Hey, Muffin, look at me. Muffin, come down the slide. I've got something to show you. Go down the slide, Muffin.
Okay.
Ready, Muffin?
Yep.
Go down the slide. We're throwing slime at you. Got you.
Okay then.
Got you. Whoa. All right, guys. It's time for us to go home. But we hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see us again. And also don't forget to never take things that aren't yours. Yeah, we learnt that the hard way today, didn't we, Bluey? Yeah, we sure did, Muffin. All right, guys. See you next time. Bye. Bye. See ya. Oh, the slime's falling on us, Muffin. Aye, who did that? Cheeky slime. Ah. Wait, Mum. Before we go, I have one more idea. Oh, really? What's that, Bluey? Let's put sprinkles into the slime. Ah, all right. That does sound like a fun idea. Come on, then. Yay, here they come. Whee! Sprinkles!
Let me help with that, Bluey.
Whoa, lots and lots of sprinkles. This is awesome. Put one more bit of sprinkles in, everyone.
Yeah.
All right, we can mix it up with the slime. All right, Muffin, mix it up with the slime for us. Come on, Muffin. Wow. Ah, this is the best smelling slime ever now. Smells so good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Ah,
Even better than slime before.
it smells like crushed up, frozen, sour watermelon, don't you think?
Yeah.
Oh, it's making the slime go all funny though.
Yeah.
That's alright, it still feels fun to play in.
Yeah.
Here I go down. Whee!
And it's also still sparkly.
Yes, it is. And that's the most important thing, isn't it, Muffin?
Yeah, it always has to be sparkly.
Yes, sparkles are a girl's best friend.
Yeah.
I just can't get over how good it smells, though.
And I can't go home.
You can't go home?
Yes, never.
Why not?
It's just so fun.
Look what it's making the slime do. It's not even slime anymore, is it?
Yeah.
Why did it make it do that?
I don't know.
It's sort of gross.
Yeah.
Oh, yuck. It looks like someone's chewed up all the slime and spat it out.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gross. I'm getting out. Come on, Bluey. It is a lot of fun. Look, Muffin likes it too. No, I'm with Bluey on this one. I'm out too. Oh, come on, Mum and Dad. No, you guys can play in it yourself. Ah, it's so squishy and jumpy. Come on, Nana, jump in it. Nope, I think that's enough of me too, kids. I think the salt ruined the slime, guys. Ugh. Bingo, Muffin, you've got the slime all to yourselves now. Yay, did you hear that, Muffin?
Yeah, we kings of the slime.
Yeah, we're the kings of the slime.
Yeah.
And I'm the queen.
Yeah.
Whee! You can't even hide in it. Oh.
Yes, you can. You lay down and you put the slime on.
All right, let's put it all over you then.
Okay.
There we go. Wow. Oh, there you are.
It's not even great to play Marco Polo in it.
Nope, it's not great at all.
But it is fun.
Isn't it funny how we mixed all the bath salts with it and it turned into this rubbery slime?
Yeah.
Doesn't even stick together.
Yeah.
Alright then, we better go now, guys. This slime is no good anymore. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Say bye, Muffin.
Bye.
Bye. Muffin, they want you to do something funny.
Oh, okay.
Oh no, Muffin, you missed the pool.
Okay then.
Whoa, where'd Muffin go? Where'd Muffin go? Whoa, there she is. You are one funny girl, Muffin. Muffin, one more thing. Tell me a joke.
Okay.
I've got one. You want to hear mine?
What?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting cow.
It's
Moo! Get it? Because I interrupted you. Whee! All right. Bye, guys.